how to remove suggested post on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your suggested post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So the issue over here seems to be very simple. When you open up Instagram, you just come to your home page here, and then you look for it over here. You'll be able to see that this are all the suggested posts here, and you want to remove the suggested post because it's not really to your liking. In that case, what you have to do is just tap the profile icon from the bottom right here. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the three lines icon from the top right, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find an option called suggested content. Now this is a new feature. It might work properly, but sometimes it might not work. This is still in the testing phase, so you want to go to suggested content. All you need to do is just make sure to turn on this toggle that says no suggested post. Now this might work in most of the cases, it might not also work because this is still in a testing phase. So when you this time come back to home page, you should most likely not be able to see the suggested post once you refresh it. This is how you can remove suggested posts on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.